And going back to
Okay, so-
the name Sugbo,
Okay.
Sugbo it's a very popular system, I would say.
What do you mean by system?
Why? Because it's a burning system.
Okay.
That the military, I think even of course the U.S. military used this system where they burn in front of the coastal area
Why is that? What's the purpose?
because they want to deter the incoming vessels that are coming, like the forces that are coming to, attack or
Trade.
whatever. But it's more of like to deter them, because before we had a lot of the Moro brothers before who comes here and
Comes
captures
here
Mga pirates.
to Sugbo. Yes,
to Cebu. Okay.
Pirates.
act like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then they get slaves from here.
Yeah.
So for Lumay to protect his kin, he has to do this tactic. It's a tactic called
Burn
Sugbo.
the shores.
Burn it. So he calls that, it's a spell as well, that he says that the locals, his people, will burn the front of coastal areas, and then muna nga, magsugdud na sila kalayo. Sugbo is very, very close to the term sugba. Do you know sugba? Sugbaho nimo?
Okay.
Yeah, that's why Sugbo, when he says Sugbo, wala sila kay balo. The raiders came, and then they don't know that the people who knows the bolo, the very popular arnis,
Yeah.
that was not sticks before. Those were
Those were
bolos,
big,
really big swords.
Swords.
And so they were behind the
The
flames. Inig-abot na nila, wisik-wisik na din ang mga unsa na diha. They're all really, really dangerous people at the back of the fire.
Yeah.
So kana nga military tactic gigamit na nila. So they were able to protect until Lumay was alive. And
Okay.
of course, we passed on. His sons was not able to protect anymore as much as
Yeah.
his
they could.
grandson is Raja Humabon.
Okay.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Oh,
You know what?